Dear student, we study inside the atom. You know, molecules are formed from atoms. What is mean by atoms? Atoms. An atom is a smallest particle of an element which retains its chemical identity in all physical and chemical changes. It is called as atom. Some scientists research about the atom is as follows. First one, it is a philosopher Kanad. He uh, he named the smallest particle, it is called as Parmanu. Then Dalton, according to the Dalton theory, matter is made up of an atom, and atom are invisible and indestructible. Then next scientist, it is Thomson. He created plum pudding model, and according to this model positive charge is distributed throughout the atom and negative charge electron are embedded in it. Then next scientist, it is Rutherford. Nuclear model of atom in 1911. According to Rutherford model, first there is a positive charge nucleus at center of an atom. Then second, entire mass of an atom is concentrated in the nucleus, and then negative charge particle called electron revolves around the nucleus. Then next scientist is Bohr's. Stable orbit atomic model. According to Bohr's stable orbit atomic model, first an atom is formed from the nucleus and extranuclear part. This contains three types of subatomic particles like protons, P, neutrons, it is symbol is N, and electron, symbol is E. Electron in the extranuclear part revolves in the discrete orbit around the nucleus. The number of the electron in the extranuclear part is equal to the number of protons in nucleus. It is shown by symbol Z. Atomic mass is denoted by the symbol Z, and atomic number symbol is A. Togetherly, it is shown is as follows. For symbol Z, it is atomic mass, atomic number, and A, it is atomic mass. For example, we have taken a carbon element. Atomic mass is, it is a 6, and atomic number, it is a 12. So student, we study inside the atom. In this chapter we study the atoms. Then some scientists research about the atoms like philosopher Kanad, Dalton, then Thomson models, then Rutherford's nuclear model, and then Bohr's stable orbit atomic model. Thank you.